Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this olive green eye makeup look today using the DESI x KATY Friendcation palette with Dose of Colors. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel right here. Click the button right here. And yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So she just refuses to move, so that's where she's hanging out. For your viewing pleasure, of course. Let's get started. Okay, so for this look today, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, which was in collaboration with DESI and KATY here on YouTube. And I'm also going to be dipping into a couple of the shades of the Dose of Colors Blended Browns palette, just for a couple like transitions or if I need a little bit of a darker shade. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in. I already did my base, so like my foundation, concealer, and powder. And I will do my bronzer, blush, and highlight and lip on camera after I finish my eyes. Let's get started. To start out, I'm going to be just taking this color right here and running it all over my lid space. Okay, so that was a little bit darker than what I wanted to use it for. I wanted to just kind of use it as a base, but it's actually a pretty nice transition, so I'm just going to go with it and work from there. I'm now going to take this color right here and run it along my crease. And this is a Morphe M441. So I'm now ready to move into my green shade, and I know that these colors sometimes can have a lot of fallout just because they're so pigmented and they're so sparkly. So what I'm going to do is take this Lancome, this Lancome Long Time No Shine powder and just press it underneath my eyes. That way if there is any fallout, we can just wipe that away and not have to worry about it. Don't mind my nails. I have an appointment for later today, but we're just not going to talk about it right now. Thank you. So I'm taking my wet Morphe sponge that's filthy, disgusting, and I'm just going to go ahead and, you know the drill, okay. Why not bake a little while we're here, you know? We already have it out, why not? Okay, so that should make sure the fallout does not affect us. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay, now moving into this green shade right here, I'm just going to straight up put it on with my finger. I find that most shimmers just apply better that way. And sometimes I'll go in and touch up with a brush if I have to. Oh, I like to start out slow because I'd rather have to add more than have a mess that I'm working with. So that is why I'm having to dip back in, not because it's not pigmented, because it is. I'm just being very strategic about where I'm putting it. I haven't even blended it out yet, and look how pretty it looks. Like, this is just a gorgeous color. It's called Dirty Money, which I love that name. Wish I had some more of that. Oh, hi! Hi! Are you hanging out? Hi! You can get down. So you can honestly just leave it like this and walk away, but I am going to blend in a little bit more and maybe add a little bit of darkness over here, but I am obsessed with this color. And it would look even better on someone with like dark brown or like hazel eyes. I mean, it still looks fine on my eyes, I think, but that would just make it pop so much. And like someone with like darker hair with like red hair. Yeah, this color basically would just look on everyone, but anyway. So I'm going to take that M441 and just kind of run over my crease just to make sure we don't have any harsh lines. I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, now I'm going to go into the blended browns right here. And I am going to use this as a liner. I don't really want to do like black liner today. I feel like that's just going to be not my vibe. So that's what we're doing. And I'm using this Lancome 24 brush. It has like a tiny little liner thingy on the end, and it's really good for just like precision, I guess. So that is what I'm using. It's really nice because it's like curved, and so you can just like set it there. It's cool. And this doesn't have to be perfect. You aren't going to be able to really see it once I put on mascara, just to give a little bit of definition. Okay, now I'm doing the lower lash line, and I'm taking this Morphe E18, and I'm just going to mix, I'm just going to actually mix these two together right here and just run it along my lash line. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe this away. You can kind of see it cleaned up my lines too, which is we're not mad about. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some mascara. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in black, and I'm just going to line my upper waterline. I think that's what it's called. I know it looks super weird, but it really makes it come together. Now for mascara, I'm going to start by taking this Lancome primer called Cils, and it's like a really good lash conditioner. It kind of protects your lashes from the chemicals in your mascara, and it kind of helps them grow, like I've noticed. It's not bad, so I'm going to start with this. The only thing is about this is when you put it on, you can't let it dry before you put on your mascara, so you kind of have to work with some urgency, but it's usually not a problem. Now I'm going to be taking the Benefit Roller Lash and just giving my lashes a quick coat. And then if you're extra like me, you can add another mascara. Why not? This is the Urban Decay Perversion. So yeah, I pretty much will do anything to not have to wear lashes these days. And that's just because my eyes are so sensitive all the time, and the glue, like I don't know if it's like the fumes of the glue, it just really irritates them, and I can feel them, and like I can't right now. I love the look of lashes, and I'll wear them if I have a special event happening. But if not, if I can get away with mascara, I will. That's just how I am. But you're more than welcome to pop on a pair of lashes and go on with your day. I'm just spending 7 hours applying mascara, so okay. Now let's move on. So today I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and this Real Techniques brush. I'm just like staring into your soul. For blush and highlight, I'm going to be using this little Lancome Starlight Sparkle Face Palette in the shade Glow. And they have some really pretty like powder products. I'm going to be using these two blushes. I think I'm just mix them together, and then this highlight today. And I'm also going to use this highlight for the inner corner and brow bone of my eyes. Well then. Oh my god, I can't take her seriously right there. She's just sitting there. Okay, I gotta focus. I want to highlight. No, I'm a fan brush girl, I'm sorry. Like, I mean, are you kidding? I have no words. Yes, I sure do have texture right there, and I sure am going to keep putting on highlighter. You just gotta pick what's important to you, you know? Alright, moving on. I'm gonna put some on my nose. Just does so much for an eye look, you know? Like that right there just changed my face. Would you agree? Would you agree that it changed my face? So, alright, I'm going to be lining my lips with the NYX Lip Liner in Naturel, if you're French. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial about lip liner and how to overline without making it obvious, I did one on my Instagram stories. I don't know why I'm pointing at you. I did it on my Instagram stories, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave the handle right here, and you can go follow me. Shameless plug, it's all good. And then you can go follow this little baby. I'll leave her handle right here. The Sadie Bell Photo. Yeah. And I just gave myself a whole new mouth. It's amazing. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to be using on my lips is this Bare Minerals Liquid Lip in the shade Hemp. And it's just like the most soft formula. It's just really comfortable and it's just like a perfect nude. Then I'm going to top it off with this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Baddest Beige, which is like super popular right now. And I'm just going to dab it over. A little dab will do ya. And that, my friends, is how you fake lip injections. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Sadie Bell and I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. If you have any more videos that you want to see from me, don't forget to request them down in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! So you can see it's not a big difference, but there is a tiny difference. And yeah. Do you think I'm beautiful? I'm an idiot. Oh. Shut up, Haley. Shut up.